to my channel. My name is Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins, and today I am going to complete my series, The Complete History of the United States Coins. I've done the penny, the nickel, the dime, the quarter, the half dollar, and the dollar coin. And today I'm going to cover all higher denomination coins, and there are some. It's going to be a bittersweet goodbye to the series. I really enjoyed making it. I sure hope you enjoyed watching it. And with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And, well, I will see you at the very end of the video. Right now, let's get to the very first coin. What is that? Well, you have to watch. First off, the Liberty had $5 gold half eagle. The Liberty had a $5 gold half eagle, the $5 coin. They were minted from 1839 to 1908. And an interesting fact about these $5 coins is that the series was minted in all 7 mints. So if you want to have a whole series collection, it requires 7 coins. Next up, the Eagle. The Eagle was a United States $10 coin issued by the United States Mint from 1792 to 1933. The Eagle was the largest of the 5 decimal base units of denomination used for circulating coinage in the United States prior to 1933, the year when gold was withdrawn from circulation. The 5 main base units were the mill, the cent, the dime, the dollar, and the eagle. It's where a cent is 10 mils, a dime is 10 cents, and so on and so forth, and an eagle is $10. The eagle base units of denomination serve the basis of the quarter eagle, half eagle, eagle, and next up the double eagle. The quarter eagle was $2.50, the half eagle was $5, this is $10, and the double eagle that's coming up next is going to be $20. Next up, the 1933 Double Eagle. It's a United States coin that was the $20 gold coin. Although 445,500 specimens of the St. Gaudens Double Eagle were minted in 1933, none were ever officially circulated. All but 2 were to be ordered to be melted down. However, 20 more are known to have been rescued from melting by being stolen and found their way into the hands of collectors before being recovered. 9 of the recovered coins were destroyed, making it one of the world's rarest coins, with only 13 known specimens remaining, one of which is privately owned. Next up is a half union. It was a proposed gold coin denomination with a face value of $50. It was never officially adopted for U.S. currency, but the proposal did result in the production of 2 patterns. In 1877, these remain the largest gold coins ever struck by the United States government. 20 years later, after its initial proposal, the idea of the half union was revived by Robert Linderman, director of the U.S. Mint. By then, federally issued paper money known as greenbacks were widely used. The need for larger gold coinage had mostly abated, making the $50 half union moot. Next up, the $100 coin or the union. The Union was a proposed $100 coin of the United States dollar, but it was canceled before any pattern coins could be minted. In 1854, San Francisco businessman sent a petition to the Secretary of the Treasury, James Guthrie, for a $50 coin to be struck due to the fact there were no banknotes of any denomination circulated in California. And Guthrie responded to the petition by introducing a measure to produce gold $50 and $100 coins called the half union and union respectively. Although the measure passed in the Senate on June 16, 1864, it was ultimately defeated in the House, hence having no $100 coin ever produced. Well, I covered all the coins. And it's a bittersweet goodbye to a series that I have grown to love. I have done the pennies, nickels, dimes, half dollars, quarters, dollars, and the rest of them. And this is definitely one of the shortest videos I've done. There really wasn't much to cover because there really isn't much to the history of the other denominations above $1. So with that being said, my name is Just a Fun Guy. This is my cozy blanket, and if you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe, share. You can email me, find me through Facebook. My Facebook name is Just a Fun Guy. And well, I'm signing off. Until next time, so long, YouTube.